project will help students and teachers by streaming the lectures live while simultaneously recording it for later viewing.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mu'taz Muhammad Filimban from the Mechanical Engineering Department.
I'm Hani Ambar from the Mechanical Engineering Department.
My name is Faisal Karimi from the Electrical Engineering Department.
I'm Saif Sabah. I'm from the Mining Engineering Department.
Our project consists of four main components. The first component is the camcorder, Canon HRF 806. The lenses are 35 megapixels with a 32 optical zoom. And also it has an HDMI output. The second component is the access point TP-Link wireless router with 300 megabits bandwidth. The third component is the USB 3 external capture card with HDMI output. Our fourth component is a sufficiently powerful PC or a laptop.
The camera will record 1080p video, then it will output it through an HDMI to the capture card. The capture card will encode the video to MP4, then the video will be streamed wirelessly through the access point.
We will now demonstrate how to start the video stream through the media server software through the network. In this case, we're using VLC because it has the ability to stream easily. So from VLC, we go to stream and then capture device, and we can choose our video input as well as audio input and adjust the cache. And from there, we can just hit stream. And then once we hit stream, it should buffer a little bit, and then we can see it's streaming live from the camera to the PC, and then we can access it through the phones.
Now I will explain how to connect the phone to the stream. First, you go to the settings and make sure you are connected to the same network that the stream connected to. Then go to the VLC application and you will have the IP address. You put it, press on it. It will take time. Then you will have the stream from the camera to the laptop. Then you will have it in your phone.
Our project constraints are that the project must cost less than 3,500 riyals, should be easy to use and easy to maintain, shouldn't require any maintenance further than cleaning and storing in a correct way, should be easy to install and can be placed anywhere.
We would like to thank our Dr. Rafar Kayani for his help throughout the semester and for his advice on the project. We would also like to thank Hani Ambar for his efforts in finding parts for the project.